since it's velvet, I have a very small haul today. I just did some very, very minor shopping a while ago on Temu. And these are the things that I got. I mean, it's small for me, right? So let me first just tell you that I will probably not have many hauls in the coming weeks because I was let go from my job at the bank as the content development specialist. I wasn't a good fit, really. I mean, that's what they told me, and I agree. And it wasn't a good fit for me. My talents are a little bit outside of what I was hired to do. And so I think they maybe made the right choice. I didn't love my job. I liked the people and I love the, the employee experience, but I wasn't loving going in every day. And I'm used to doing that. I'm used to really liking my job. So, we parted ways and it's okay. I just signed up for unemployment. Of course, it never pays what you're making, so you have to make some sacrifices, and that's perfectly fine. It could be 100 times worse. So I will not be shopping anytime soon. I have one more Temu haul coming, but that is all free stuff because I played one of their games and I had like $30 in I don't know, back something or other. But oh, excuse me, every time I get on this thing I'm yawning. Anyways, just wanted to get that out of the way and just show you what I got. Okay, here's a boo-boo. I got the wrong size eyelets. I mean, these are freaking adorable, aren't they? So I may use my the hand setter that I have. It's just, I don't even know where it is, probably in my bottom drawer over there. And just see if I can make these work. It could be fun trying. So yeah, there's that. And then I got some stickers that I thought would look cute. Let's see. This says Gear Secretary. Whatever. There's a coating on these, which could mean inking them up will not be the easiest thing, but they're pretty cool. Pretty cool designs, and if you don't like the white around it, you can always cut around or just ink around it, which is what I tend to do. They're pretty cool stickers though. I like them. The paper they put in there is just kind of throwing me off a little bit, I guess. All right. And then this is from the same place. This one's called Children's Paradise. So I wanted to get some children's stickers to be able to use. I'm not crazy about the white around them, but we'll figure it out. Very cute. Really, really cute stuff here. Okay, I hope you can see this. Looks like I pulled them out all upside down. So cute. Oh, that one's adorable. I love these colors, like they've been colorized, I mean, and obviously they have been. Because it looks like they're pretty. They use pretty old photos as the base for that. And I absolutely love how colorized photos look. That, the colors that they use. So that's that. I jumped on the bandwagon and got a bug stamp. I used to use bug charms and stuff when I did scrapbooking. So, yeah, this will be interesting. Then I got a couple of different papers. This one is just a fun kind of old book style paper, I think. Now, of course, these are always single-sided. And it's, well, I guess it's not as thin as I would have thought. So that's cool. See, don't they look like book pages? They smell good too. Every other one is upside down. Just really cute images here. Oh, now wait a minute. Is that the same as this? Nope, it's not. Oh dear, that's disturbing. That looks like someone in blackface. Ugh. These are cute though. I would just get rid of that one picture. Very, very cute. I like these. These, if you're making postcards, this would be really cute on the front of a postcard. It looks like it's just about the right size too. Now these two are the same. Really cute. I can do this. I know I can. All right, and then this one is just kind of a, you know, grungy looking paper. The sizes were different. That's what I kind of liked about it. Definitely got a Tim Holtz feel to it. Though they don't look identical to any of his papers. Not that I know every single paper he has. I like the little bit of teal in there. These are nice. These would be good to rip up and do, you know, to put in collages or to use for clusters. So that's cool. I can do it. Oh, so one of the things, one of the bad things about my getting laid off, or whatever you want to call it, discharged, is that, of course, my insurance is all going to run out. But I have until the end of August. And so I just really quick booked my surgery for my right hand, even though I had no intention of doing it right now. I was going to wait until December. But I've met my deductible, and my deductible was like $3,000, $3,200. So we met our deductible between my husband and me. So I thought, well, I'm going to get this surgery done. And they're probably going to be pissed at me at my former employer because that all comes out of their pocket. They're a self-funded thing. So, oh well, I made my deductible, so it is what it is, right? So I will be getting surgery in a couple weeks. Although by the time this airs, I probably will be just a couple days from getting my surgery. And then I'll be out of commission for at least a week, but probably 2 since this is my dominant hand. Yeah, so. All right, back to my haul. So these were a mistake. I thought these were the bigger ones that held the 8.5 by 11 papers, but they're really nice. So I'm going to think of some way to use them. I'm not sure how. What I may end up doing is when I have digital kits and I cut out all of the fussy cuts, but I've still got stuff left over, so it goes inside a bigger, a bigger one of these. Maybe all the fussy cuts can go in here and just keep them from falling all over the place. It looks like there's probably 10 here. Yeah, probably about 10. So, they were inexpensive, and, I already have a way that I can use them. So, no harm, no foul, as they say. Then I got one more die. It's, like a specimen slide, but with a circle out of it. So I thought that would be fun. I love that it's all connected and will be easy to, stick something in there. So then I got these bigger ones that I always get. Apologies. I will open this, but it's going to be loud, unfortunately. I'm just trying to find the opening, which is I'm so sorry. I just can't figure it out. All right, maybe I won't. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry. Okay. All right, so I don't know how many I got in here, but I needed some because since I've been making my own digitals too, I needed something to keep them all in. So there's probably, maybe there's 20 here. So that's cool. And then I got these that hold 12 by 12s so that when I'm doing the Killa kit, I can kind of, you know, put any of the leftovers in something smaller than what the kit is already in. And it comes with the sticky tabs. So, you know, it'll hold a decent amount. So I'm really pleased with that I got those. Very happy with that. And then, let's see. Oh, this is just a little ball of the off-white chiffon trim that I like to use. Oh no, this is the yellow. Okay, this is one of the colors that I didn't have, so I grabbed that. Now this is funny. My gal Maggie over at Sunset Crafts, she just hauled one of these, and I had already bought one to haul, so that's kind of funny. But yeah, it's just, I figure I'll put this on a really nice journal, you know, that I'm selling for a little bit higher price, and that will be like a page keeper for them. And then this is some stickers. I've got stickers here, and they're all like, you know, 50s stuff. And I do intend to do a journal like that. Actually, I've been using these colors in a mid-century mod kit that I was putting together. That's kind of funny. Yeah, these are fun. They're like old ads and stuff. Fun. These will be cool little page decorators. Or you could even use these as specimen slide things. So that's cool. And then I grabbed one of these things because it popped up. I think I've seen a couple people use them, but yeah, it can make envelopes and gift boxes. And it's really like the WRNK that you have, but I really liked having the small scoreboard, to be honest with you, because I hate having to pull out my big, huge one when I'm just scoring small things. But then the fact that this doubles as your corner punch, and how you can, oh my goodness, get your words, Velvet, how you make the notch in the paper so that you can fold for an envelope. So, yeah, so there's your notch and there's your corner. So, you know, I'm eager to try it and see how it works compared to the WRMK. And it does give you some, you know, some score lines and stuff, so that's good. It's good that they give you some of that. Rectangular envelope. These look like little square envelopes, and then I guess these are the boxes here, which I have not done before, but that's kind of cute that you can make your own box. Neat. Okay, so I will try that. And that is everything I had for you today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.